Okay, so what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how I'm going to be letting the number generator pick out my eyeshadow. So I already have my eyebrows done and my face is primed, and I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 390, and then I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 390. So I'm gonna go a little faster with my face and then slow it down when I start picking out my numbers and whatnot. Now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Truffle and using that as my contour, and everything that I'm using will be listed in the description box. So right here I decided to apply my eyeshadow base. I don't know why. I regretted it right after I did it, but I applied my eyeshadow base right here. Next I'm going in with translucent setting powder, and I'm going to be applying that all over my highlighted areas, and then whatever is excess I dust it all over my face. Now I'm going in with a little bit of bronzer. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in Tan to Deep, and I'm using the orange color in that palette. Now I'm just cleaning up my highlighted areas. I went a little too low with the contour and bronzer, so I'm using the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Kunafa. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in that glow, and I'm using the shade Sunburst as my highlighter. So now we're getting into the fun part. Now I'm using the Colourpop eyeshadow palette, the Ornate eyeshadow palette, and I wanted this look to be very fall themed, so I feel like this eyeshadow palette is very perfect for that. So the first color that came out was 3, then it was 1, then it was 6, then it was 2. So the colors in the palette is Gilded, Siren, Boheme, and Tipsy, and that's all the colors that I used for this look. So I was just thinking like, okay, now what am I gonna do with it? So I was like, okay, cool, I got me a yellow to put in my crease to have it real blown out, and that's what I'm doing right here. I'm using the shade Siren to do that. Next I'm going with the shade Siren Tipsy directly into my crease, and I'm just blending that out. For the number generator, also picked the shade Boheme. So I'm going to be spraying my brush with a little bit of spray, and then I'm going in with that shade all over my eyelid. The next eyeshadow I'm going to be going in with is Gilded, and I'm going in right in my inner corner with that shade. Now I'm going on my lower lash line with my crease colors with the color Siren and Tipsy, and I'm just blending it out right now. Now I'm going in with a brown lip liner, and for my lip shade I'm using the Lolita II liquid lipstick by Kat Von D. But for some reason I don't have that clip. I don't know why. But here I'm applying my lashes, and that's pretty much it, y'all. That is it for the look. I think it came out really good. This was different for me, and I think that it was pretty cool. Like the colors that I picked out, it came out really cute. So thank y'all for watching this video. I'll see y'all in my next video. If you can like, subscribe, and share this video if you want. You can comment as well. It's free 99. But thank y'all. I'll see y'all in my next one.